What if I told you there are people making money right now while they sleep? No boss, no overtime, no burnout, just income flowing in. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people will never experience this. Not because it's impossible, but because they choose the wrong path and quit too early. They chase hype, follow trends, and expect quick results. In this video, I'll show you 5 passive income ideas that actually work. Not theory, not fake guru advice, but real, proven methods. And by the end, you'll know exactly where to start, even if you're starting from zero. But be careful. The last idea quietly builds real wealth, and almost nobody talks about it. If you miss it, you might stay stuck doing the same thing for years. So let's break this down step by step. Idea 1. Dividend investing. Passive income doesn't always mean doing nothing. Sometimes it means making your money work harder than you ever could. Dividend investing is one of the simplest ways to do that. You buy shares of companies and they pay you regularly just for owning them. You're literally earning income for holding a piece of a business. It might sound boring, but that's exactly why it works. This isn't about risky bets or chasing trends. It's about consistency and long-term growth. At first, the results feel slow and almost invisible, but over time, the income starts building momentum. And this idea connects directly to something powerful we'll uncover later in the video. Idea 2. Digital products. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it again and again. That's the power of digital products. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or a simple template, you create it once and it can generate income for years. Most people fail here because they overthink everything. They believe they need to be experts before starting, but the truth is, you only need to be one step ahead of someone else. Think about what you already know that others are struggling with. That knowledge can become your first product, and once it starts working, it opens the door to even bigger income opportunities. Idea 3. Faceless YouTube. You don't need to show your face or have expensive equipment to make money on YouTube. With the right ideas, consistency, and patience, you can build a channel that earns over time. You create videos once and they can keep generating income for years. The biggest mistake people make is quitting too early. They expect fast results, don't see them, and give up. But the ones who stay consistent start building something powerful. Over time, your content becomes a system that works for you. It keeps bringing views, traffic, and income even when you're not actively working. That's when it truly becomes passive. Idea 4. Real estates. Real estate has created more millionaires than almost any other asset class, but not everyone has the money to buy property right away. That's where REITs come in. They let you invest in real estate without owning physical property. You can earn income from rent without dealing with tenants, repairs, or unexpected problems. It's a simple and scalable way to generate passive income. However, it still requires capital to get started, and that's exactly why most people stop here. But the next idea solves this problem in a completely different way. Idea 5. Skills to systems. Passive income doesn't start as passive. It starts with effort. You build a valuable skill like writing, designing, or marketing. Then you turn that skill into systems, such as templates, services, or automated workflows. Over time, you step back while the system continues generating income. This is where real leverage happens. You're no longer trading time for money, you're building assets. If you don't develop a skill, you stay dependent on active income forever. And in today's world, that's risky. Skills give you control and eventually financial freedom.
None of these ideas will make you rich overnight, but together they can completely transform your financial future. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and think long-term. Because real wealth isn't built in days, it's built over time. And the real secret isn't just earning money, but how that money grows. If you want to understand that, watch my next video on the power of compounding. It could be the difference between staying average and becoming truly wealthy.